Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your dollar bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First up, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in dollar bank login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option, online banking of dollar bank. Click on it. It will redirect you to the official website of dollar bank. And in this interface, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it and this interface pops up. Over here, enter the user ID of your account. And in the password section, enter the password of your account. To stay logged in, click on Remember Me if you are using a private computer. But I do not recommend if you are using a public or shared computer. And once you do that, click on Login. You will be logged into your dollar bank account. And in case if you guys have forgotten your password, click here Forgot Password to reset it. To create a new account in dollar bank, click here on Sign Up button. So this much for this video. This is all about logging into your dollar bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.